A drill dust collector is an essential tool designed to capture dust and debris produced during drilling. It helps maintain a clean workspace, improve visibility, and reduce health hazards from inhaling fine particles. Dust collectors typically attach directly to the drill or the surface being worked on, using suction or a vacuum system to collect dust immediately at the point of drilling. This is especially useful in construction, woodworking, and home improvement projects, ensuring a tidier, safer environment. So, let's get started. Number 5. Raizi 1PC Drilling Dust Shroud Cover. The Dust Shroud Cover tool is a professional-grade dust collection attachment designed for hammer drills and concrete core bits. This tool is perfect for reducing dust in heavy-duty drilling projects, ensuring a cleaner and safer workspace. Whether you are a contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this dust collector will enhance the efficiency and cleanliness of your drilling operations. Optimized for large drilling diameters, the Raizi dust shroud is engineered to support drilling diameters up to 120 millimeters, making it highly suitable for concrete and core drilling projects where larger drill bits are required. Wide compatibility with vacuum systems. This dust extraction attachment is compatible with vacuum hoses ranging from 26 millimeters to 39 millimeters in diameter, allowing it to fit with most standard vacuum cleaners without additional adapters. Swiveling hose receiver. For added convenience, the hose receiver swivels, enabling users to reposition the vacuum hose as needed during the drilling process. This feature allows for flexibility in tight spaces and ensures that the hose doesn't obstruct your work. Dual air chambers for efficient dust management. The dual air chambers in the Raizi dust shroud provide efficient dust collection during use. These chambers not only gather dust, but also generate suction to secure the tool firmly to the wall, reducing dust spread. Rubber seal for maximum suction. A high-quality rubber seal surrounds the attachment, ensuring strong suction to the wall and preventing dust from escaping. This feature is critical for maintaining a clean working environment, especially when drilling into materials like concrete. The Raizi 1PC Drilling Dust Shroud Cover is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to minimize dust and maintain cleanliness during large-diameter drilling projects. Its advanced features make it a practical and efficient choice for professionals and home users alike. The next is Number 4. HERZO 7mm Hammer Drill Dust Collector. The dust collector is an essential tool for maintaining a clean and dust-free workspace during drilling tasks. This innovative accessory enhances the performance of drills by effectively collecting dust, ensuring both safety and cleanliness. Designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it offers a reliable solution for various drilling projects. Compatible with various vacuum cleaners. The HERZO dust collector comes with a complementary suction hose interface that can be adapted to different vacuum cleaner interfaces. This makes it a versatile option for users with varying equipment setups. Optimized for large drilling diameters. This dust extraction attachment is optimized for drilling diameters up to 70 millimeters, making it ideal for larger drilling tasks that typically produce significant amounts of dust. It works seamlessly with rotary hammers and other heavy-duty drills. Wide vacuum hose compatibility. The HERZO dust collector is compatible with standard hose sizes ranging from 26 millimeters to 35 millimeters, ensuring broad adaptability to different vacuum systems without the need for additional attachments. 360 degrees rotatable hose receiver. The hose receiver can be rotated a full 360 degrees, allowing users to reposition the hose easily as needed. This feature provides more flexibility and convenience during drilling operations. Dual air chambers for efficient dust collection. The dust collector features dual air chambers that efficiently collect dust while simultaneously providing suction to adhere to the wall, ensuring better dust management. Rubber seal for strong suction. The integrated rubber seal ensures a strong suction to the wall, helping to contain dust effectively and improving the overall cleanliness of the workspace. The HERZO 7mm Hammer Drill Dust Collector is an excellent addition to any drilling toolkit, offering powerful dust management and improved efficiency in keeping work environments clean. The next is Number 3. WORX Powerful Cleaner Dust Collects WA1602. The Dust Collect WA1602 is a high-performance dust collection system designed to provide an efficient and cleaner drilling experience. With its strong suction power and compact design, This dust collector is a perfect companion for electric hammer drills, ensuring that dust is kept at bay during heavy-duty operations. 13 kilogram suction power. The WORX WA1602 features a powerful 13 kilogram suction, allowing it to capture even the finest dust particles produced during hammer drilling. This high suction capacity ensures a cleaner workspace, reducing dust spread and enhancing visibility while you work. 35 milliliters visual dust box. The integrated 35 milliliters visual dust box allows for easy monitoring of dust levels. Its transparent design lets users know when it's time to empty the collector, preventing overfill and maintaining efficient performance. USB Type-C charging. The dust collector is powered by a USB Type-C charging port, making it easy to charge and compatible with various power sources. This feature adds convenience, especially when working in locations where traditional power outlets are unavailable. Universal compatibility. The WORX W1602 is designed to be compatible with a wide range of electric hammer drills, making it a versatile tool for various drilling tasks, especially in commercial or heavy-duty environments. Durable plastic construction. Made from durable plastic, this dust collector is lightweight, easy to handle, and built to last. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance even during extensive use. Commercial application. With its powerful dust collection capabilities, the WA1602 is ideal for commercial manufacturing and other professional applications where clean and dust-free environments are essential. This WORX Powerful Cleaner Dust Collect WA1602 is an efficient, easy-to-use, and highly reliable tool, ideal for professionals who need a dust-free drilling environment. The next is Number 2. Deli Electric Drill Dust Collector. The dust collector is a compact and efficient tool designed to enhance your drilling experience by collecting dust and ensuring a cleaner workspace. This cordless dust processor is ideal for use with electric drills and screwdrivers, offering universal compatibility for drills with a bit size of less than 10 millimeters. Automatic dust collection. The Deli dust collector features automatic dust collection, ensuring that when drilling, dust is captured immediately, preventing it from flying around. This feature makes the drilling process more comfortable and convenient by keeping your workspace clean. Small and exquisite body. With dimensions of 1,558,050 millimeters and weighing only 300 g, this tool is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and use for a wide variety of tasks, even in tight spaces. Vacuum absorption. The dust collector offers vacuum absorption, which means it can securely attach to the surface you're working on without needing additional installation. This feature is especially useful for vertical and ceiling drilling, making the device highly adaptable for multiple applications. Dust-proof switch. The dust-proof switch helps to increase the durability and service life of the dust collector, ensuring it functions effectively for an extended period. Suitable for small drills. The Deli dust collector is designed for drills with a diameter of less than 10 millimeters, providing a broad range of use for different types of drilling projects. Battery-powered. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this tool is cordless, allowing for greater mobility and ease of use in any location without needing to worry about power cords. Deli's well-established reputation for producing cost-effective and reliable products makes this Dell 603,010 dust collector a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The next is Number 1. MAYILON 2-in-1 Electric Drilling Dust Collector and Laser Level. The electric drilling dust collector and laser level are a versatile tool designed to simplify drilling tasks while keeping your workspace clean and improving accuracy. This dual-function device not only acts as a dust collector, but also features a laser level, making it essential for various construction and DIY projects. 2-in-1 functionality. The MAYILON device serves as both a dust collector and a laser level, ensuring a clean and accurate drilling process. This combination makes it ideal for tasks like furniture installation, advertising, and decoration construction. Laser level with bubbles. It includes a laser and 2 horizontal bubbles, ensuring precise line positioning for your projects. This feature is perfect for creating straight lines during construction or installation. Air suction wall bracket. The built-in air suction wall bracket supports up to 5 kg, allowing it to hold your laser-level instrument or other equipment, making your work hands-free and more efficient. Detachable design. The dust collector and bracket are separable, providing flexibility in use. You can remove or attach the collector or bracket by simply pushing a button. Healthier working environment. The device ensures that dust doesn't fly around while drilling, reducing the risk of inhaling harmful particles. This provides a cleaner and healthier workspace. Built-in rechargeable battery. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, this tool ensures long usage time and can be easily recharged when needed. Large 13mm hole design. The 13mm hole with an internal brush prevents dust leakage, making it suitable for various types of drilling. Available in both green laser, 10 meters range, and red laser, 5 meters range, the MAYILON device is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, so this is the best option for you to buy.